Hi everyone, it's Kevin McNamara here, founder of Heal Your Prostate. In 2019, I took my knowledge of how I beat prostate cancer through natural means, a plant-based diet, fasting, meditation, etc. And I turned that into an online workshop. I'm now working on a course and a book on the same topic. So what I'm doing is creating massive impact in the lives of many men who have prostate issues. And I'm also making a good income from that as well. And yes, you can do both. Now, I challenge you to stop whatever you're doing right now, take a deep breath, try to clear your head of any thoughts. I'll give you a minute because this is really important. Okay, your minute's up. Focus. Now you've done that, think about what you want the most in your life. What do you crave more than anything? And depending on your situation, your first thought might be anything from a massage or a chocolate bar to sitting on an island with a cocktail. But I want you to go deeper than that. I mean, those things aren't what you want the most. So, what is it? I'm willing to bet if you really access your inner desires, then what you want the most is one of these things. Number one, a fulfilling life where you make a positive impact on others. Number two, the ability to live out your passions every single day. Number three, a career that doesn't make you feel like there's something missing. Or maybe number four, what you truly want is next level success. So you can experience deeper security and freedom and take care of your family the way you maybe always dreamed of. Am I wrong? Or is this all one of those things that we all hunger for in life? Is that what you want, basically? Now here's the best part. Two people who I admire the most, and they're actually mentors of mine, Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, have done some amazing, incredible, I can't get the words, some amazing, incredible things. They've taken their 60 plus years of combined experience impacting millions of lives, and they built a blueprint for those ready for the next level. Now, they call it the KBB Method, and it's already spread to 24,000 plus people in over 4,000 niches. I think it's 150 countries around the world, all in less than a year. Now, I'm part of that 24,000 people, and we've got our very own private Facebook group that's nothing short of life-changing in itself. There are so many success stories in there. So if you're looking for something, if you look to learn how to do workshops, how to run retreats, how to run a mastermind, how to create an online course, then Tony and Dean are going live for an online training for only the second time ever, and the only time this year, to share with you how you can fulfill your innermost cravings for impact, passion and success using the KBB method. Now, I'm using it, as I say, with all my prostate health stuff that's really helping people. I'd love you to get involved with it as well. You can sign up. They're going live this Wednesday, the 27th of February in the US. I think it's 5 p.m. PST time. In Australia, it's midday on February the 28th. If you're in Sydney or Melbourne time. So the link is either below or above me here. I'm not sure exactly where it is on YouTube as far as links go, but it will be here somewhere. Click on the link, go and opt in, sign up, become part of this. There'll be about 500,000 people on this little bit of training. So do yourself a favor, sign up here now. I'll see you there on the training. It can change your life. Thanks for watching. See you soon.